Hello again, everybody. We spoke about measuring bulbs in the other video, and before replacing them, you should measure them, especially lights, headlamps, or whatever. As you can see over here, the reason that I already put these alligator clips to it is because I can't hold the camera phone and clip it on at the same time, so I had to do it before. But hopefully you'll understand it. There are two filaments in here. Two filaments, two-way bulbs. That means there are four connections. Now, a little hard to see, but there's one connection here, one connection with the alligator clip. Then there's another connection, this one, and this one to the alligator clip. Now, let's say before I replace it, I want to make sure it's good, because I don't want to waste $5 or $6, whatever it is, even for a two-filament bulb. As you can see over here, I have it on 200 ohms. Always put it on the lowest. You shouldn't measure in the kilo ohms. You should measure 2.5 ohms, or like I said, less than 10 ohms. How do I know which is which? Like I said, there's four of these. If you look at it, if I could get the angle, one is outside, one is inside, one is inside, one is outside. Now, these two inside represent one filament. As you see, I'm hooked on the inner one, and that's why I'm getting this. If I want to measure the outside one, the other filament, what do I have to do? I take this alligator clip or the probe, I put it on the outer one, and then I go to this outer one. So therefore, I should measure the inner ones. I should measure less than 10 ohms, which is 2.5 ohms. That's perfectly acceptable. And on the other filament, this one and this one, I should measure also less than 10 ohms. The reason I can't do it, like I said, I can't hold the phone, the camera phone, and do it at the same time. But this is what it looks like. Two filaments, four connectors, four wires coming out of it. Here's the wire. Here's the other wire. If you can see it, here's the other wire. Don't measure from here to here. No. Because one is the inside, one is the outside. It's a different filament. The same filament is inner to inner. The same filament is from outer to outer. So this is how you can measure headlamps or whatever, low beam, high beams, when you have the same filaments, the same bulbs for both tasks. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and hope that you learned something from this and was informative. Thanks for watching.